Hello, welcome to netvn channel. These are the commands used in this video. The first command will list the Mac operating systems you can download and create ISO files. You can create ISO files of Monterey, Big Sur, Catalina, Mojave and High Sierra. In this example I will create an ISO file of macOS Big Sur. macOS Big Sur has different versions. I will download the last one 11.6.7. Currently I have a macOS virtual machine installed on VMware Hypervisor. I will use this virtual machine to create different macOS ISO files. Depending on your internet speed, the download time is fast or slow. With the third command, you edit the name to match the operating system you want to get. Here I change from Monterey to Big Sur. Depending on the size of the operating system you download, create a sufficiently large disk image. Newer operating systems will be larger in size. For my case I create this image about 14 gigabytes. You will be asked for your password when you run the command. Enter your password to execute the command. You correct the name for the fourth command, then use it to mount the disk image. With the sample commands, after editing the information, you can just copy and paste it into the command window. Next you create a bootable image file with the fifth command. You open Applications and double-check the path to the downloaded file and correct your command. / to replace spaces in installer names. Here I change from Monterey to Big Sur. This way you can actively create macOS ISO files as you like. After creating the ISO files on the virtual machine, you copy them to your Windows computer for your own purposes. It will take a few minutes to create a bootable installer. With macOS ISO files you create virtual machines on VMware, VirtualBox or install on old Macs. The mounted drive has completed its task. You unmount it. You convert the format from DMG to CDR with the sixth command and put the resulting file on the desktop. Here I change from Monterey to Big Sur. So you use all 6 commands and the job is almost done. After you get the macOS file with the extension CDR, just rename the file with the extension ISO and you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.